Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your Edifier headphones with your iPhone. So all you have to do at the first, you have to click and hold this power button to enter for the pairing mode. So if you don't have this indicator blinking, you can click and hold on the Bluetooth button and it will start blinking like that. So next we have to open the settings and go to the Bluetooth, turn it on, and then select your Edifier headphones. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.